Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Of us.
What's up, guys? It's Chester from McPherson Racing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Drift Headquarters handbrake kit in a 5th gen Camaro. Kit installs in the center console around this area. It actually bolts to the mounting brackets for parts of the shifter down below. So I'm going to attempt to actually mount the handle without taking out the entire center console. First thing you probably ought to do is take out this trim piece here, which you can get up underneath it on the bottom here, and it just pops up. Go around it, pull at the clips so you're not break nothing. It just pulls off, and there's room for it to swing off to the side. Next, I'm going to remove the side panel just to have a little bit extra clearance, and it just pulls up, pulls right off. Alright, that side panel is a lot easier to get off with the seat all the way down. I'm back. Next, I'm removing the shifter boot to get clearance. That seems to be a 7mm. Probably be easier with a ratchet. So far I've been able to get all these screws out just by removing this, and then I think just a little bit of trimming here. Get this horn out of the way. Here. And then I'll mock up the rest of it and see what needs to be trimmed here. Alright, once you get these 4 bolts out, there, and there, you can slide the bracket in like so. I'm going to put it in there and then trim around it so that everything is as tight as possible. Alright, here I've made my first cut into the center console. Start small and start clearancing slowly. So, keep on trimming at this until she fits the way she's supposed to and doesn't take too much plastic off. Alright, here it is all mocked up. All the plastic's trimmed. Have to make something for that. That looks fine. Whatever. Trimmed around the master cylinder. Not running the brake lines today. I'm running out of daylight. The last thing I'm going to do is trim the side panel so that it fits properly.